Hello, friends. Welcome back to another weekly outlook here on this May 2nd, 2024. Happy Thursday. Weekend just around the corner. In this update, we're going to take a quick look back at what happened yesterday across the high plains. Several tornadoes and some massive hail, about as large as I've ever seen. So showing that where the severe risk is today. And I do want to focus on Monday. It's next Monday. I think the central U.S. is in line for some pretty nasty weather. Let's get to it. We'll start you off with what's happening thereabouts now, and current satellite perspective here showing the situation where we've got really lots of quiet weather across the east. We do have the one storm located across the central United States, not causing any problems here currently. But as mentioned, we did have several reports of some nasty weather yesterday. Take a look at these storm reports from the Storm Prediction Center here. And then everywhere you see a red triangle, that's where there was a report of a tornado. Several from far west Texas into western portions of Kansas. Also had some large hail reports and a few damaging wind reports out of that deal as well. I did want to take the time to show you some video actually from some of the storms from yesterday. Take a look at this. And what we have here, my friends, is a classic Landspout tornado. Take a look at this. A Landspout, you can kind of think of it as a water spout, only over land. You got a little audio on this one. Anyway, with that being said, there you go. And you see how it ropes up into the cloud. These are typically not as strong tornadoes. Which is fine, and generally when they happen in the high plains, you can see them a long ways away. But very cool. Here's another picture of a tornado-producing thunderstorm from the high plains. This is in Clarendon, Texas. Yesterday, pretty cool video, I'd say. There you go. And kind of looks like a stovepipe from this perspective here. But most of the tornadoes yesterday were fairly weak. I'll tell you what wasn't weak, though, was the hail. Good grief. Look at this hailstone here. And this guy's a little crazy. But this was guerrilla hail, they said. Western Kansas, along the warm front. Edgar O'Neill. This is Reed Timmer posting this. Look at the size of... That guy does look a little crazy, doesn't he? And this is just some more storm videos from that. But that hail, I mean, those are softball-sized hailstones, about as large as you're going to see. Crazy stuff. That was out there yesterday. Let's talk about what's happening now. We're going over to our current radar situation where really it's fairly quiet. We do have some thunderstorm activities. You make your way into the middle Mississippi River Valley right now. Looks like one warned storm. No time to investigate that here, but the showers and storms go all the way down to the Gulf Coast. This storm system's lacking a little bit of oomph, so not terribly concerned with it, but it will gradually move east, and we'll track that for you here. Take you guys over to our weather model imagery, and you can see from that perspective here that we do have some jet stream wind energy rolling through the central U.S. right now. So this is what's happening now. That system gently lifts. It loses a lot of its punch as we head on into your Friday. So some rainmakers Friday moving east, but no big deal. And then we're going to wait for this next batch of energy. You can see that ball of energy rolling through the central Rockies here. This is on Monday, and then on Monday it ejects into the plains. And with that, I would expect there to be the potential of some pretty rough weather for the central plains. Let's walk you through the European forecast model here tonight, showing the showers moving east into the lower Ohio River Valley, also into the Great Lakes. Again, nothing severe here, but some heavy rainmakers, and that front's going to kind of hang up a little bit across the Ohio Valley on Friday, providing for some more rain showers. And then we'll get a break going into the weekend before that next storm enters the plains, which we'll watch because already that next storm system, the Storm Prediction Center, does have a day 4 watch out for it. So let's show you that. Take you on over to the Storm Prediction Center, and we'll show you where they do currently still have actually a an enhanced risk across portions of southern Texas. I'll show you that on our other radar unit here. Maybe I will. Let's see. Do I have it? Do I have it up? Let's find out. I think I do. Good. All right. There we go. I love it when my toys are working. So this is today's convective outlook. In the yellow there, slight risk across central Kansas. Abilene, my old stomping ground. That's an enhanced risk for today. I think more of what we saw yesterday. Possibility of a few landspout tornadoes and large hail producers as well. Day 2, this is tomorrow. Just a slight risk out there. Also in West Texas. Day 3, nothing going on. But you head on into day 4. Nothing going on. And then on day 5, which is Monday, that's when they do have that area already highlighted across the Central Plains for the possibility of some pretty nasty weather at that point. All right, with that being said, thanks for being on. Hopefully you enjoyed the videos. Let me know what you think about that new little addition there. If you do like that, I'll try to include more with future updates. In the meantime, you guys enjoy this warm, early summer weather. For some folks, it's what it feels like, almost like summer out there. Hopefully you guys are able to stay safe, and we'll talk to you again soon. Be blessed, my friends. Bye.